Hello, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today we're going to go to Gucci and then we're going to do an unboxing of the cheapest thing that you will find at Gucci store. We're here at Gucci.
Best feeling in the world is not getting a ticket.
I know.
Let's go in. Here you go. We got one already. Yay! Hi! Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. How are you doing today? Today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this one already. The cheapest thing that you can get at Gucci. So on the previous clip, you saw that me and Jen finally we met up in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, California. She came here for a seminar and then we had such an amazing night together. I showed her around LA and then she loved it, I hope. So hi, how are you, Jen? And then now I'm going to do an unboxing for the Gucci. This is the cheapest thing that you're ever gonna get at Gucci year 2020. Anyways, so what I did was I did a little bit of research before I go to the store, because I don't want to be looking like a fool that hey, I'm gonna go to the store and then I'm gonna ask the lady or this the client advisor that hey, what's the cheapest thing here at Gucci. So it's kind of like so I already know when I went to the store, I already know what I want, what I'm going to get. So there's an options for me to look for. These are the things that the cheapest thing that I'm going to put on here is the cheapest thing that you would think that you would able to use, and then not just for a nonsense thing. So this one I would think that you would really use it. So this is what I do before. This is the research behind it before I go to the stores. So I go to just for the sake of just looking at the prices with Gucci anyways. So let's go to men's, and then there's a category that it will show here. And then let's go to the wallets. And then the good thing about their website is that you can narrow it down to the high price one to low. The high price one to low on this one is this 2,500 crocodile wallet, but we don't want that because that's kind of like too much with this episode. So I do price is low to high, and then on this one the lowest category accessories is the animalier leather money clip, which is like $170, which is kind of like too much. So we go to another category, belts. For sure, common sense, I know that this is not gonna be the place for us to go get it. If I'm going to get the lowest one, it's going to be this one, which is 350. So moving forward, let's just go to socks. Probably socks. We're going to get something from the socks that's like will not break the bank. And then we're going to find this one, and this one is $100. There you go. So this is one of our contender. And then so socks, we cannot have anything with the shoes because for sure that's gonna be expensive. The bags, we're not going to have anything from that. Gifts for men, let's see how is this gonna be. And then let's put low to high, And then the lowest that they have is this perfume, which is $95. This is a good one, $95. How much is this? And what is this one? Incense burner, $195. That's gonna be too much. $95. So the perfume and the socks for the men. And then for the women, let's see, probably we're not going to get anything. Let's just be realistic here. We're not getting any bags from here. Probably we're just gonna go to tights and socks. Let's see. Oh, this is a nice tights. 1,250 just for the tights. Oh my goodness. That one's crazy, huh? Are you willing to spend 1,250 for a pair of tights? And then this one is fishnet socks, which is $100 for a pair. And then interlocking GG chain, $100. So that's gonna be too much. So let's go to gifts for women. And then let's go to, wow, this is a fancy area. Low to high. Oh, there you go. And to gifts for women, and then price low to high. And then we found this one are lipsticks, which is $42. This one is the lip balm, $42. Look at this one. The color of this one is so nice. It's Tiffany blue, which is my favorite color. And then this lipsticks too. Just for the fun sake of this one, let's go to, this is the one I was telling you that I'm kind of like, okay, probably this would be a good one too for us to check out. And then for the kids, but then I don't have kids yet. And then this shirt is 155 tank top from them, so I'm kind of like, probably newborn. Newborn probably has a really good, oh, this is so cute, 275. Let's see, lowest to high. We do have a $95 baby GG pattern wool hat. Oh, this one is nice. This kind of like a collection of it. It's baby Gucci logo cotton gift set, $245. And then the bib, that if you want a bib, a baby bib with lamb, oh, there's the lamb, it's $250. I don't see the socks anymore. I saw it yesterday when I was looking on this one, but probably they don't have it anymore on here. So this particular one is for the cheapest thing at Gucci for the year 2020 on their website. Okay, so yeah, probably accessories. Let's just go to accessories, and then we're gonna go to low to high. This is the one I was telling you guys that this are one of the options. It's $45 for a set of baby stretch cotton 25 socks. So yeah, and then the baby GG socks is $55. So there you go. So there you go for all this cheapest thing that you can get at Gucci. There are a few things that I would think that qualify for the cheapest thing you can get at Gucci under $50. So this it was a last minute thing. We only have like 7 minutes because me and Jen, we were kind of like rushing, and then she was a little bit running late. She got lost, that's why, and she almost got mugged in Beverly Hills that time. So, and then I was like, okay, we were calling each other, and then I was telling her that, hey, I only have like 7 minutes to go, so I have to go to Gucci so that I'm gonna be able to get this. And then now we're going to check it out, so stay tuned. Anyway, so this is what I got. And then this one is I got this one from the Gucci store in Beverly Hills, the Rodeo Drive. So this is it. So here's the receipt that I went to the Gucci, and that one is, oh, hold on, let me see, Gucci Beverly Hills. And then this one is $42. So this one is a $42 type of thing. There you go. Yeah, so this one is $46. And there you go. And then he wrapped it nicely. So there's the black bow with the, of course, with the emboss of Gucci name on that. And then here's the black and white box that they have. You guess what is it? What's inside? If you have any guesses, comment below, and then we'll find out in a little bit. So there we go. So this is that, and then this is the ta-da! This one is the Gucci lip balm. Baume. I'm not gonna read that, but yeah. So this is the cheapest thing that you can get at Gucci. So this one, I saw this one online. This one is made in Italy. It's a lip balm because I'm having problem with my lips anyways, and it's being hot here in California. So I was kind of like thinking, okay, what are the things that we can buy in Gucci? And then I was like, okay. And so I searched it, and then I found this, and then I was like, oh, cool. So the runner-ups for this ones are the baby socks. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to use the baby socks. So I'm not gonna be able to use that, so I'm kind of like, never mind with that. And then this is the one of different kind of lip balm in there. And then this is the one, this is Clair. So wow, look at this fancy there you go. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but yeah, there we go. And then look at that. So this is that, and then it says here Baume et Joslyn. So this one is the Joslyn one. This one is the Joslyn one. Joslyn Clair. So that's the name of this one, is Joslyn Clair. This is heavy. So wow, this is a fancy one. There you go. So that's the whole thing. It's kind of like, it seems like it is like what's that one? It's like it's a petroleum jelly type of thing. But look at this fancy canister that it comes with. It's heavy. So yeah, that's the thing. For $46 with tax, this is what you're gonna get at Gucci. The cheapest thing that you're gonna get at Gucci. So yeah. And then it says there, I don't know if you can see it, but it says across this one, it says Gucci. So yeah. There's no smell. And then let's see if how is this gonna work. That was good. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to do another one for you guys, and then if you love this gift ideas that you're going to have from all these luxury stores, comment below if what stores do you want me to do the cheapest thing on that particular luxury stores. We can go to Chanel, we can go to Hermes. So comment below and let me know what you think about this one. I had so much fun in doing so. It was a really good experience anyways for me. So for this particular the cheapest thing at Gucci, for $46, this is what you're gonna get. It's a lip balm. I know you can just get a lip balm for $1 or less than $1, but we're talking about the cheapest thing at Gucci, one of the luxury stores around Rodeo. So this is the one that I got. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Comment below, like this video, sharing is caring. So if you don't mind to share it to your friends and stuff like that, this is a good gift idea that you can give to your loved ones. And look at the packaging of it, it's really nice. It comes with the box, the ribbon, and then the really nice Gucci shopping bag. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. We will see you again in the next video. Bye.